Parabrahma challenging World Health Organizations, governments, pharmaceutical companies to spend time with virus-positive patients without safety measures. News in detail. Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center strikes again. As the whole world is struggling in front of COVID-19, a second wave in its most deadly form, Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center coming forward with a challenge. The first challenge is to ensure that the vaccine does not cause COVID. Also, will the vaccine manufacturers, responsible persons in the pharmaceutical companies or specialist doctors mingle with the COVID patients without masks and immunizations? The research center has shared a video of Sujit Balachandran, the head of the pharmaceutical department, Dr. Ajit from Parabrahma Research Center and Ram, general manager of Parabrahma. Parabrahma also challenged the allopathy pharmaceutical companies about the vaccine availability to resist the mutated virus. Regarding the various side effects of COVID, which includes mental disorder, how can this be cured? Around 2 lakh people have taken the immunity booster formulated by Parabrahma against COVID. Anybody can verify with any of them. We, along with the persons who had taken the immunity booster, are ready to mingle with hundreds or thousands of COVID patients without using masks or gloves, Parabrahma authorities said. The video released by Parabrahma says that the challenge is to the pharmaceutical companies, the ministers and to the World Health Organization. The facts and truths should be revealed to the world. Around 30 lakh people lost their life due to this pandemic, and till now the governments are not promoting the immunity booster or any other products manufactured by Parabrahma. If the governments promote this product, the manufacturing cost could be reduced and can be provided to people with less cost. Parabrahma has opened the door for the whole world. The traditional Indian Ayurveda only could rescue the world from this pandemic. But importance is not being given to this field that is the biggest tragedy. Now we will see the video shared by the Parabrahma Research Center. I am Sujit, Parabrahma Ayurveda Hospital and Research Center Pharmacy HOD. I am doing this video as you all know that now the whole world is struggling before COVID pandemic. Many vaccines are also available now and many people has taken the vaccine, some are not. But the people are still in confusion as the pharmaceutical companies are not providing a satisfactory explanation regarding the effect of the vaccines. Do they guarantee that by taking 2-dose vaccines, the virus will not affect a person's recovery? Now, we all are facing the second wave of the pandemic. From the first wave itself, Parabrahma has been providing the food supplement, immunity booster against this pandemic for lakhs of people. In just a few hours, the virus has cured without any side effects. The patients suffered due to this disease very well know what all difficulties they suffered. By using this immunity booster, they get cured within 72 hours and get back to their normal life. Now the situation has changed. New rules are there. Those who are not vaccinated cannot go into public places and a lot more restrictions are also there. Who all are and why imposing such rules? Parabrahma has manufactured an immunity booster to fight against the pandemic and delivered it to many patients and have shared their experience, and we think many have watched those videos. After all these steps, why are these pharmaceutical companies, business tycoons against us? Now we are criticizing all these persons, including the health ministers. We are trying to save mankind. Parabrahma believes that it is the duty of a human being to save one another. We are challenging vaccine manufacturers, World Health Organization officials, the responsible persons in the pharmaceutical companies or specialist doctors, business tycoons. Will they spend 2 days with COVID patients without using mask, face shield, PP kit or gloves? The challenge is to spend 2 days with 100 COVID positive patients without any safety measures. Those who are willing, please come forward. It is your responsibility to society to eliminate the fear of common people against the virus. Parabrahma is ready to accept this challenge as we are confident about the immunity booster we have taken. Please come forward and take up our challenge. I am Ram, working as General Manager of Parabrahma Hospital and Research Center. Everybody knows about the immunity booster formulated by the Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center as it has been used by around 2 lakh people. The result was excellent. No product has been discovered worldwide till now which can resist the coronavirus or otherwise which can change a positive patient to negative within 72 hours. We are keeping records of around 15,000 COVID positive patients who turned negative within 72 hours after using this immunity booster. We have contacted health departments including Indian and Kerala government, even World Health Organizations through the media, but have not yet received any positive response. Now, the second wave is affecting the whole world very critically and around 30 lakh people lost their lives. Now, vaccines are available and nobody knows about the success of these vaccines. It is a reality that even the leaders who have been vaccinated have been affected with this virus. We are challenging the officials, ministers, politicians of both India and Kerala, World Health Organization officials, pharmaceutical companies, business tycoons, vaccine manufacturers and others. The challenge is to spend 2 hours with 10 COVID positive patients without using a mask after taking the vaccine. We are ready to accept this challenge. We are ready to spend 2 or 3 days with 10 or 100 or 1000 COVID positive patients. Those who are willing can take up Parabrahma's challenge. We are challenging all the specialists behind the manufacturing of the COVID vaccine to accept our challenge. I am Dr. Ajit. I am a consultant physician at Parabrahma Ayurvedic Hospital and Research Center. Now the world is facing the second wave of COVID-19 and the number of cases even in Kerala is increasing rapidly. As a remedy to this pandemic, Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center has formulated the herbal supplement. I am here to introduce you about this food supplement. This is not a new one. This has been available in our hospital since 1 year. Many countries have introduced many medicines for COVID, including vaccines. The vaccine formulated so far is not ensuring that it prevents the attack of the virus. It is not a permanent solution, just a prevention. There is a possibility of affecting the virus even after taking a vaccine if proper prevention is not taken. Now, I will explain the qualities of this immunity booster. First category involves COVID positive patients. All COVID positive patients can have this herbal immunity booster as the COVID positive patient will turn negative within 48 to 72 hours. I am assuring you on this. This is not my opinion. This is the experience shared by patients who have used this immunity booster. Within 48 to 72 hours, they can recover from this virus, including symptoms like suffocation, fever, joint pains and all. This immunity booster is a food supplement, also an antiviral medication consisting of herbal combinations. The highlight of this immunity booster is that the presence of virus in the body will get eliminated after having this immunity booster. The second category includes those who are taking it for prevention. Those who are interacting with COVID patients, those who are prone to COVID affecting situations can use this immunity booster. The feedback received says they were not affected with this virus even after mingling with COVID positive patients. This is another highlight of this product. Anybody can take this powder, even children also can have. Only thing is that we have to follow some diet restrictions. We are taking up this as a challenge. Any COVID positive patient can approach us and we assure that the test result of any COVID positive patient will turn negative within the set time period.